Welcome back to the MSU Assessment channel. This video is part of the SPOL Assessment Platform tutorial series and is brought to you by the Institutional Assessment Team at Murray State University. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to create the planning process narrative for administrative units. As part of the overall assessment plan, administrative assessment coordinators need to create a narrative that summarizes the unit's annual planning process. The narrative should include information about the participants in the planning process, the year when the outcome was last assessed, a brief explanation of how the unit developed its assessment plan, and the plans to collect and review the findings or results. Let's go ahead and create the planning process narrative in SPOL. From the SPOL homepage, make sure you selected the correct academic or fiscal year from the Planning or Reporting Year drop-down menu. Then, click the Assessment module icon. From the Assessment sidebar, click the All Assessments link. Now, click the drop-down menu right beside the All Assessment by Program heading. Then, select the option by Administrative Unit. Once redirected to the All Assessment by Administrative Units page, click on the administrative unit's name for which you want to create the annual planning process narrative. For this example, we will use the Office of Institutional Effectiveness Unit. Once redirected to the Administrative Unit Details page, click the Reviews tab. Next, click the UAC Annual Unit Review lane. Then, select the Unit-Assessment Plan lane. Once the response window pane appears, click the Edit orange button. Type in your planning process narrative in the text editor. Feel free to format your narrative as you deem fit. Finally, click Save. And there you have it. You just created your planning process narrative. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to MSU Assessment YouTube channel for more helpful tutorials and updates. Or contact us at msu.assessment@murraystate.edu if you have any questions. For more information about Outcomes Assessment at Murray State, please visit our website by clicking the About link in the description box below. Happy assessing, and go Racers!